Hello friends, myself Dr. Dinesh Butala, practicing as a dermatologist, cosmetologist, trichologist and laser specialist in India. I am also a medical legal consultant and the editor of 3 newspapers, Skin and Hair Times, Saundarya Varta and Saundarya Mantra. In this video module of acne, we will be talking on the do's and don'ts of acne management. What are the do's and what are the don'ts in the acne management? The first do is the do stay hydrated. It terms stay hydrated terms skin care. Staying hydrated means using moisturizer and protecting skin from the sun. So you have to hydrate your skin, so that you must hydrate your skin to prevent the acne and also the acne scars. Second, do wash your face regularly 4 to 5 times in a day. You have to wash your face 4 to 5 times in a day to get rid of the sebum on the face, and this will prevent the acne and at the same time help to treat the acne. Do wear sunscreen. Whenever when you are exposed to the ultraviolet lights, always apply a proper sunscreen. By consulting your dermatologist, and this is must be done by all patients. Then consult a doctor. In case of a acne is inflammatory, or if this acne is not subsiding by its own, then you have to consult a dermatologist for the proper treatment. He may treat your acne by medication, by oral therapy, or may require some therapies, for example chemical pills or cryo slush therapy for getting removal of acne. So these are the do's in the acne management, and now we'll see what are the don'ts in the acne management. Don't neglect your health. Overall mind and body health can lower stress, and this contributes to the acne. So don't neglect your health. Maintain your health in a proper way. This is again a don't in acne management. So don't pick and pop your acne on your face. Don't pick and pop acne at your face. Every time you touch your face, you spread germs and bacteria. Picking and popping of pimples or acne only makes it worsen, creating a breeding ground for more bacteria. So don't pick and don't pop your acne, so that you can prevent the post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation and at the same time acne scars. So another don't is don't engage in behavior that damages your skin. The behavior which damages your skin should be avoided. For example, avoid direct sunlight, don't scrub your skin, then keep your hair clean and away from your face. Dirt and oil from your hair can transfer to your skin, and that pores which will lead to acne. So this you should you should avoid this behavior that damages your skin. And at the same time, don't ditch your medication too soon. If a medication is given to you, you have to take a complete and proper medication. At least 3 to 4 weeks are required to see the results in acne. So don't stop your medication before it gives a good result. So these are the do's and don'ts in the acne. Thank you.